Do it like smooth. And then you're gonna chase it.
Yeah.
You can stay like right behind them.
Yeah. Got it. Okay, I think it's time.
All right, 1 second. Oh, I bumped it slightly.
Get it.
I want to see if that works. It's not gonna. Okay, we're gonna use the smaller way
No,
because.
just make it steeper. Or do that.
Yeah.
Choose the.
Try to get like up. Or actually, should I take? Oh yeah, because I'll come take the camera by this point.
What? You're gonna be outside.
The whole time.
I think so.
So you're gonna do this, and then
Yeah.
you're gonna do this, and then zoom in.